So today we will see how to convert OST file into PST file using Stellar OST to PST converter. So this converter is a powerful and reliable tool designed to convert inaccessible or orphaned OST files into PST format, and it provides complete data integrity. It enables users to easily recover emails, attachments, contacts, so making Outlook data accessible without depending on the original Exchange environment. So here are the uses of OST to PST converter software. We can export OST file to PST file. We can fix offline OST synchronization error using this tool, and also we can import OST file to offline 365 or M365 package. You can check out this page to see more important features on this page. You can see all the features that they have listed here. So let's go and quickly download this tool using this link for your operating system. Okay, so now once you have downloaded the tool, double click on it, select yes when it prompts, select language, English in this case, click on next. Now we will install this converter tool. Click on next, select your path, select next here and click install. Now once this is done, select launch Stellar converter for OST and click finish. Now it will ask for one more prompt. Select yes here. You can choose any page. This would get us some help like how to use the tool, right? Okay, here are the FAQ if you want to use that. Okay, so this provides us with two options here. One is list profile and one is choose manually. So list profile, what it does is it automatically scans the profiles from Microsoft Outlook present in the system, and it will list down there. You can choose from there. And for this tutorial, we'll be choosing a manual selection of the file and convert it into PST. So let's click on choose manually. So in this window, it provides an option to browse the file where have we put the file. So I have a test OST file. So let me show you the properties of it, and you can see the file is OST file. Okay. So let's choose this file from here. Okay, you can also click on find and provide the drive name and click on find, and it will just get you the files, OST files present in the system. Okay, so since we have already chosen the file in the documents file, we'll directly go and click on convert here. Now it will take some time and it will convert and present all the data from the PST on the display. So we can just choose whatever part of the this OST, and we can export it into PST. You can choose any file from here, any part of the inbox. Let's choose this thing and let's click on, so to save it into PST file, just click on save converted file button on the top. So click on that. So a window will open. So here we will be presented with the options to convert that file with an extension. So it could be PST file. You can choose MSG file, EML, RTF, HTML or PDF. So we'll be choosing PST. Click on that and click next. So you can provide the path where you want to save that. Okay, so I'll keep it my documents only, and here is one more checkbox over here, recover deleted items, which will keep the deleted items in your PST files as well after recovering them. And auto split PST file will can split that file into smaller chunks. You can get the help for more details from here. So let's click on OK button. Now it is converting and saving it into PST file. Okay, so it says save successful. saving complete, and it is saved at this location. Let's go and open that location. So we had provided my documents here, and this is the converted file. This was our original OST file. Let's quickly go and check. This is our original OST file. This is the converted PST file, not PST. Okay, so let's go and we'll open this file. Okay, so now we are in the Outlook. Click on File, select Open and Export, then click on Import and Export, and choose this option, Import from another program or file. Click Outlook data file.pst, click Next, then let's choose our document file, which is the converted one. You can choose any option from this. Replace duplicates. Since this is the fresh import, we can click on Next and choose this thing, Stellar Convert for OST, include sub folders and everything. You can even filter out the items that you don't want, and click on Finish. So you can see everything has been now imported, and you can see all the data which was there in our test OST file. So that's it for now. You can go on the product page in the description and download your tool and get it and use it.